Most wars are started over land, power, or ideology. But in 1925, a war between Greece and Bulgaria was started by a dog. It began when a Greek soldier's dog ran across the border. The soldier chased after it and was shot by a Bulgarian border guard. Outrage exploded. Greece invaded Bulgaria, and a full-scale international conflict known as the War of the Stray Dog began. The League of Nations had to intervene to force a ceasefire, but not before dozens of people were killed in a war started by a runaway pet. Subscribe for more of history's strangest stories